Welcome back. Goa Pradesh Congress Committee slammed their own MLAs and leaders for trying to be the bosses of the party. Party has decided to allot tickets to the candidates after considering grassroots level workers and members and not MLAs or MPs. Goa Pradesh Congress Committee has decided to create new leaders and MLAs. President Jan Fernandes has warned Congress MLAs indulged in anti-GPCC activities. Committee will take stringent action against such MLAs.
43 years loyally I am in this party. I don't think there's anybody who can challenge that and dispute that. My high command knows it well. I don't require their certificate from IRMs and GAIRMs because they are disgruntled element, if at all they are there. If you say that they exist, they are disgruntled element, and I will not allow them to blackmail my party. I will dump them in the dustbin if they claim to be congressmen. I got this fiat and mandate from Delhi.
President Jan14 cleared that party will not be a puppet of any individual.
Nobody will be able to control Congress. Congress will be controlled by me from this office as long as I am here. He may be MLA or he may be MP. His ticket will not be assured to him if he is not behaving and following the party lines and principle and mandate of the party. Those days are over. These are the things of the past. They have to know this. And High Command has told me, especially Rahul Gandhi, to give them this message. We know who are those people. These are the same people who looted this state of Goa through land conversion and illegal mining. Same elements. We will chase them out from this party because they are the looters. And I have discussed during my appointment that these are the people who are disruptive element. They should be dumped out of the party, and we are going to do that. I am going to create a new cadre and tell the people that these are the people responsible for destroying Goa and Goans and Congress in Goa.
John has also lashed out at Govind Gowde for backing out after giving his consent for party membership.
Only when I got this complaint, I stopped the appointment letter which I had signed to give him. So only when that letter was denied, he thought of saving his skin by doing that. And that was not necessary. If you don't want to be in the committee, just keep quiet. You were in the Congress before.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Omkar Ferrari for Prudent.
Yog Guru Ramdev Baba said that he is supporting Narendra Modi as Prime Minister. Ramdev Baba termed Aam Aadmi Party and its government in Delhi as anarchist. He is in Goa for a Yog Shibir. Ramdev Baba spoke to Prudent at Daboli Airport.
23 मार्च के योग महोत्सव की तैयारी, जिसमें करीब 10 करोड़ लोग एक साथ योग करेंगे पूरे हिंदुस्तान भर में, उसकी तैयारी के लिए और 2014 में जो धर्म युद्ध हो रहा है उसमें मोदी 300 से ज़्यादा सांसदों के साथ संसद में पहुँचे और व्यवस्था परिवर्तन हो, इसके लिए अभी आए। आम आदमी के बारे में क्या आम आदमी पार्टी अराजक आदमी पार्टी हो गई है।
Dishan Parab from Daboli for Prudent.
The High Court has directed the state government not to demolish illegal structures at Moti Dongar till further orders. Matter has been adjourned and will be heard with other two similar petitions. Meanwhile, in illegal land grab case, the High Court allowed Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar to submit photographs of disputed land before it was developed. The matter has been reserved for final verdict.
The High Court has extended the interim relief granted to the Moti Dongar encroachers. The court has directed the government not to demolish illegal structures erected at Moti Dongar till further orders. During the hearing on Monday, government said that there are two more similar petitions and the petitioners are yet to file their replies. The High Court, while adjourning the matter, said that all connected matters will be heard together. Meanwhile, in illegal land grab case, the High Court allowed Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar to submit photographs of disputed land before it was developed. On the basis of these photographs, Parulekar has claimed that the land in his possession is not as valuable as other adjoining plots. He also claimed that the land was uneven and rocky and he has developed it investing a lot of money. While the petitioner advocate Iris has alleged that Dilip Parulekar has illegally grabbed 599 square meter land belonging to Comunidad of Cerula, misusing his powers as minister. The High Court has reserved its order. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.